Hello, good morning to everyone. Today, 28th January, today I have planned to put understand Python intermediate concepts, and after like two I will 2 hours reviewing the basics, except and error handling. Error handling. Then 3 hours 3 hours I will do file input output, and reading, writing, and I will work on CSV and JSON files. CSV means comma separated values, and JSON means I think JavaScript object notation. Then I have modules, I will know about them because I already did in past, not very deeply, but I just see them how they work. Now I am doing these concepts because I want to strong my fundamentals, because it is important. And also then after another 3 hours I will practice. I will build a script that processes CSV file with error handling. Okay, I'll do that. Then I will solve 5 LeetCode easy questions that I also solve that. Then the last 2 hours I'll do decoders basics, and I will understood decoder basic concepts and many projects like timed function, logger, and if I have time afterwards, then I will extend and little bit start knowing about generators. So that's all for this part. I will see you. Currently I will work on 2 hours topic, which is reviewing basics and start learning error handling and custom errors. I will do that. I will see you after when I complete, and I will tell you what I am learned. I am back after finishing basic understanding of error handling and exceptions in Python. I also practice custom errors. I first define a class, then I set that class empty. Like this, I set that class empty. This one, the class invalid age error, this one. But inside another function I can use that class and raise an error like age must be positive, like this. Also I create a banking program by the help of ChatGPT, who suggests this, and this one invalid age, invalid amount error. It is also inherit from exception. Both are inherits from exception class, the parent class. So that is what I did. Also I practice basics error handling. I did know about first one is syntax is really clear. First it is try, then accept, and then all errors you wanna catch, and then we have else. If we do something, then we have else, and then lastly we have finally, that always runs. I did example, this one. Look at this code, else and finally. I did this, and So finally, so else if this we don't if we don't catch any errors, the program it will run else condition. If we catch any errors, then else condition will not run. It will run except which error was cached, like that. So that is what I did in this section. So now I'll do file, input, output, reading, writing text like CSV and JSON, module packages like importing or creating my own. I told you previously that I did these topics like not very deeply, but like I seen them or I practice little bit, but now I'll practice these topics again, and I will tell you that what did I learn. Okay, so that's it. I will see you after finishing like this concept. See you. I'm currently finishing this part of topic like file input output in Python, also like file input output in text CSV file. CSV means comma separated values, and JSON JavaScript object notation. I practice how can I write and read. First one is like how can I read in text. How can I read? How can I write into text file? Like we can do this easily by like first thing I need to open the file, and we have to give a mode. If we want to write, then we must give W. We need to use like W, I mean with operator, using with, because it's automatically closes the file and this is the best practice. Like this one here I did it like this one, writing a file. Also I did it appending a file here also. So that is what I did. My next topic will be like building a script to process a CSV file using error handling, and I will solve 5 LeetCode easy questions. So that's all for this part. Thank you. So here again I am back. I want to do like I gave excuse myself a lot after afternoon section. I had a work to do like doing exercise in and solve 5 LeetCode problems related to strings and files, but I did not do it. So I will do after, because of I already have basic skills in that. That is why I did not do it. I will do at night, at least 3 to 4 hours I will give the time. So I will see you on the start of that section, or I will maybe visit you at the end of the section what I learned and what problems did I solve in LeetCode. That's all. So guys, this is the last part of like today's Today I learned about again practice to set my rhythm in Python programming again. I did like error handling, practice some practical examples, and also practice I did learn about also custom error and make my own classes that make my own error that can raise errors, like I built it like invalid age and define it like age is greater than or smaller than, let's say smaller than 18, then you are not allowed. So in that case I will raise an error. This thing I learned. I also solved previously, like I solved 4-5 lead code questions, but today I solved lead code 350 questions, intersections of two arrays, 2. So I solved that, and tomorrow I will again learn about Python object-oriented concepts more deeply. Grok suggest me some like a book called Avoid Boring Stuff by Python or Automate. I think similar to that a book. So that is for this day. Thank you guys.